welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you are new. If you're seeing me for the very first time, my name is Anjani and this is my YouTube channel where I post content regarding makeup, beauty, lifestyle and much more. So if you want to see videos regarding that with this face right over here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below. I know it's been quite some time. मैंने last video 7 महीने पहले upload की थी and now I am back. बहुत कुछ हो चुका था, बहुत केओस हो चुका था लाइफ में, बट सब सॉर्ट करने के बाद आई एम फाइनली बैक ऑन द चैनल. सो आई रियली होप एंड आई रियली अप्रिशिएट यू लव having me again on this channel. So today's video I am going to be doing this makeup look right over here. This is my everyday go-to glam makeup look, and when I say glam, it means glam. It means like full nice highlighter with a little bit of blush and a very nice bold lips. So that's what you're going to be seeing today in this video. So I really hope you guys enjoy watching this, and I will stop blabbering and without wasting any more time, let's get started. To begin with, I'm gonna use a moisturizer by Cetaphil just to moisturize my face. ये बहुत अच्छा moisturizer है. If you're a makeup artist, you can use this on your clients and it's very drugstore and cheap. तो बहुत लंबे टाइम तक भी चलता है. उसके बाद I'm going to be using the Color Bar Spotifying Illuminating Lotion just to give a little bit of dewiness and a little bit of shine from within for my face. तो मैं वो मसाज कर रही हूँ just like a moisturizer. And then उसके बाद मैं concealer यूज़ कर रही हूँ actually as a foundation, because daily basis पे मुझे ज़्यादा heavy foundation पसंद नहीं है. तो मैं बस concealer अपने like under the eyes, around the mouth, on the bridge of my nose, एंड जो भी एक्स्ट्रा बचा होता है वॉन्ड पे वो मैं मेरे पूरे फेस पे लगा के एक कंसीलर ब्रश से उसको अच्छे से ब्लेंड कर दूंगी. I'm gonna highlight my face using a lighter concealer from Maybelline. This is the Maybelline Age Rewind in the shade 01 Light, and I'm just going to highlight the top features which is under my eyes, wherever I need a little bit of highlighting और जहाँ sunlight अच्छे से घिरे face पे. And then later on I'm just gonna blend it with a beauty blender. You can see how much this gives a nice definition and a structure to my face. So that's what I'm going to do. A little bit of tea break, and then moving forward with this technique I actually use a Miss Claire soft matte lip cream. ये कैमरा पे थोड़ा डार्क लग रहा है बट इट्स अ वेरी नाइस पीच अंडरटोन, पीची रेडी अंडरटोन. तो मैं ये लेके अपने चीक बोन्स और थोड़ा सा नाक पे लगा के ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर से उसको ब्लेंड कर देती हूँ. You can see how subtle the color has gone once I started blending. So blending is the key whenever you're starting with makeup. I feel blending is important. And to set all that, I'm going to use my MAC Fix Plus and set my makeup. Next, we're going to highlight our face. I'm going to be using the K Beauty highlighter in the shade Champagne. I have all the products listed in the description box below, so you can go and check that out. I'm using a quite dense brush because lately I have been loving a natural blush and a highlighter look. It looks amazing for an everyday look. So that's what I'm going to do. And then later on, I'm going to start with my eyebrows. तो थोड़ा नज़दीक बुला रही हूँ मैं आप लोगों को. थोड़ा lame था. It's okay. So I'm taking a spoolie actually and I'm gonna brush through my eyebrows. If you guys can see, मेरे eyebrows already thick और dark है, तो मुझे ज़्यादा करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. तो भी थोड़ा definition के लिए मैं नायका की brow palette यूज़ करके थोड़ा सा अपने eyebrows को define कर रही हूँ. Next, moving on to eyeshadow, I'm using this Wet n Wild palette. I'm going to keep my eyeshadow very simple and very subtle. So I'm just taking those two shades, and with a fluffy MAC 217 brush, I'm just going to blend the color all over my eyelids for a subtle color on my lids, just for the sake of color. That's it. For my liner, I'm going to use a shadow. एक्चुअली मैं पहले लिक्विड लाइनर्स यूज़ करती थी, अब मैं शेडो यूज़ करती हूँ ताकि वो थोड़ा और अच्छा और सटल इफेक्ट दे. इतना हार्श नहीं होता है शेडोज़. सो यू कैन यूज़ अ ब्राउन शेडो, अ ब्लैक आई शेडो एंड ब्लेंड इट. इट लुक्स वेरी अमेजिंग. तो आई एम जस्ट टेकिंग द शेडो एंड आई एम जस्ट मेकिंग अ स्लाइट विंग, एंड देन यूजिंग द सेम MAC 217 ब्रश दैट वी यूज्ड फॉर द आई शेडो अर्लियर, उससे ही मैं पूरा अपना कंसीलर नहीं आई शेडो ब्लेंड कर रही हूँ. Followed by mascara. This is by Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara, if I'm not wrong, the Total Temptation one. और you can see how much difference does a mascara make. और मेरी लैशेज़ लंबी है तो आई डोंट प्रेफर यूजिंग फॉल्स लैशेज़, और ऑनेस्टली मुझे फॉल्स लैशेज़ अपने पे नहीं पसंद, बहुत ड्रामेटिक हो जाता है. उसके बाद जस्ट फॉर एन एक्स्ट्रा डेफिनेशन आई एम गोना टेक द सेम हाइलाइटर दैट वी अप्लाइड ऑन आवर फेस, and using a pencil brush I'm just gonna apply it in my inner corners, which emphasizes the entire makeup look. As you guys can see, this is my favorite step as well. And then lastly for the lips, I'm gonna line my lips with a darker shade. This is a shade in between purple and brown, तो maroonish से थोड़ा dark है, वो लगाऊंगी. और उसके बाद एक very nude lipstick to go with it, and I'm just gonna blend the shades together, and you can see how amazing and luscious my lips look. So that is the final thing, and makeup के लिए इतना ही. And then to set everything in place, Max Fix Plus का spray all over my face once again. So that was the makeup look, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, you know what to do. You need to like the video, share, and also subscribe to my channel. और जितना share हो सके और जितना हमारा ये YouTube family grow हो सके, I'll be more than happy. And thank you so much for staying in and watching the video till the end. And also I really want your guys' recommendations, and what videos would you like me to make. Do you want makeup videos? Do you want vlogs? Or what type of videos you want me to do? I have planned couple of videos here and there, so I'm really excited to put it out for you guys. So all I need is your little support. Subscribe to my channel, share as much as you can, and also follow me on all my social media handles. Link in the description box below with all the products also that I used on my face today. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I will see you guys in my next video next week. Till then, stay safe, stay happy, and I love you. Bye everyone.